Let us show you how to change the display of the iPhone XS. Please turn off the phone before starting the repair. You can find spare parts and tools in the video description. First, unscrew 2 pentalobe screws. Organize all screws so that you don't get confused later. With a hairdryer or heat gun, maximum 60 degrees Celsius, warm up the display. Use a suction cup and insert a playing card. Move carefully along the edges. Beware not to enter too far into the phone at camera level. Now, loosen 3 Y and 1 Phillips screw before removing the metal cover. It is important to disconnect the battery flex connection first. Then disconnect 3 more flex connections. Finally, unscrew 3 Y screws in order to remove the proximity sensor and the earpiece from the old display. Sometimes you also need to transfer the plastic cover. Install the sensor and the earpiece. Then screw the 3 Y screws back in. Connect the display flex connections. Last but not least, attach the battery flex connection. Then insert the cover and screw in 3 Y screws and 1 Phillips screw. Now, lay the display carefully on the surface and screw in the 2 pentalobe screws. If you like our video, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your trust. It was fun repairing together.